As usual, sharper reversals are identified once price decisively crosses under the ALMA for a bearish trend and over it for a bullish trend. Since we know there can be difficulties when price is more volatile and remains relatively unchanged, it is advisable to be extra observant to short-term developments, since they can often lead to impactful breakouts in the medium to long term, such as with this quick and relatively unstable double top formation, which had its bearish reversal confirmed after that first large close under the ALMA, followed by consecutive candles that stayed entirely under the ALMA. Usually in the middle phase of a continuation, when price moves relatively flat, there usually won't be full candles that form entirely above or below the ALMA, unless there are highly volatile conditions. This is a fairly standard case. Price stays on the ALMA before falling back under it decisively to finish the bearish continuation. Then when there are decisive closes and even full candles that form above the ALMA, there's a clear bullish reversal. Here are some common default settings which we've been using thus far. They are a good baseline and often don't need to be changed. If there is change, it's usually with the window size, and that would be to produce broader coverage over a longer time period. However, since this is an indicator primarily meant for short-term use in the identification of sharp and quick movements, there are generally fewer use cases for setting the window size over a range of even 30 to 60. Usually there will be little to no alteration for the offset setting, which can affect the smoothness of the ALMA and how closely it tracks price. Sigma will also usually have little to no change, because the effect on the ALMA, especially its smoothness, is usually not impactful. Make some alterations to the settings and experiment. It generally won't overcome some of the limitations, especially when the market is more volatile and moves indecisively. If there is some personal preference for different settings, it can be useful to keep the default settings and place another ALMA indicator alongside it.